Hello everyone, today, we're going to delve into the spectacular world of Himalayan rhododendrons. As you all know, the Himalayan region is home to an astonishing variety of flora and fauna, and rhododendrons are no exception. These plants are not only visually stunning, but they also contribute significantly to the vibrant landscape of the Himalayas. Rhododendrons are known for their unique and colorful flowers that come in shades of white, pink, red, purple, and even yellow. They bloom at different times depending on their variety. Some varieties bloom early in the season, while others wait until mid-season, or even late in the year. This diversity in blooming times ensures that there's always a spectacle of color to be seen in the Himalayas. These beautiful plants can be found at various elevations within the mountain range. Some species prefer high elevations, while others thrive at lower levels. This adaptability means that when you journey through the Himalayas, you're likely to encounter a wide variety of rhododendrons along your journey. Some famous varieties include the large-flowered Nepalese rhododendron, which produces flowers up to 10 centimeters wide. Another popular variety is Rhododendron arboreum, commonly known as Darjeeling, which has a beautiful pink flower adorned with gold centers within each petal. So next time you're exploring the Himalayas, or just admiring photos of this region, take a moment to appreciate these beautiful rhododendrons that add so much color and life to this stunning landscape. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure into the world of Himalayan rhododendrons. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this. Until next time, keep exploring,